How to make the prettiest galaxy slime on the planet. Hey guys, I'm so glad that you came to join me. Today we're in my lab, another word for the bathroom. Just so things don't get messy, I like how it echoes, la la. But anyway, we are going to be making galaxy slime oceans for our little critter here who doesn't want to stay on land his whole life. You want to help him? Then keep watching and craft along with me. Okay, I'm so sad I have to do this, but I do. What you're going to do is you're going to take this beauty. It's really glittery. And you're going to put it in your glittery container. It can be any kind of container. I'm using this sparkly one since I love spark. And this is just slime, so I'm going to mix this in. Too late, even if I wanted to teach. And we're just going to mix them side by side. I hope that we get a super pretty result. Oh, it's looking nice. Wow! Fascinating. I'm so fascinated. This galaxy slime is so easy to play with. Does it fit in the container? Yes. Huh, for you. Oh no, our wheel doesn't have enough slime. I'll be right back with one more. You notice something different? We have a pink slime. Okay, I kind of was sad that I had to mix these together, but I'm not going to be sad with this result. Or is this going to be pretty? Just going to take the decorations out. Because we might mix those in if I like the result. If you like slime as much as me, this is probably the funnest video you've ever watched. And this is the funniest video, and this is the funnest, not the funniest, the funnest video I've ever done in my whole life. Do you know what my favorite part is? I get to slime it with you, viewer, you. There's nobody else here but us in this lab. Sorry I didn't have a second cold finger. Okay. You know, you have to take all the beads out because sometimes it can make slime harder to play with. Harder, 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 harder. I hope that echoed well in your ears. And no matter what, we get to mix. I never thought I'd have such a big slime with such little ones. It's a good thing I had this idea. Look how it's changing. It looks so cool in real life. Ooh, I like yours. I'm gonna call this unicorn slime. And what's cool is why we got this amazing effect was because all these slimes were clear with glitter. They were just clear and they had glitter in them. So we got such a fantabulous result. Let's fit it in. It's great. I wish that we could add one more slime. Who said we can't? Okay, maybe everyone, but not me. I'll be right back. I've never done anything so fun before in my life. Boy, is this a big change for me. And this one's so soft, it's gonna put an effect on the slime. I'll make sure that no slime falls down your sink, and if there's no slime allowed in your house, don't feel bad. I did this project sneakily. Just kidding, my mom said yes. But it's still fun to be sneaky. Oh my god. This is so making this slime much stretchier. What did I tell you guys about science? Science is slime. I believe that if no one had invented slime, there wouldn't be any science. I wish that we had added more glittery slime, but I only have these. Let's see if our wheel's happy yet. Oh, our wheel already likes it. He's made himself home in our pool, but we need to put him in. How happy. I've never seen anyone have so much fun before. Do you guys like this craft? Give a thumbs up if you do. And also, you'll support me. I'm just a little cutie. I'm actually like I said, if you subscribe and give a thumbs up. Because guess what'll happen if you subscribe and give a thumbs up? We'll be able to do longer videos, and we'll be able to have more special effects. If you donate money, then it's going to be outrageous the amount of cool stuff you can have. You might even one time do a video on how to make a mansion, like a real one. If you subscribe, maybe that's my dream come true, but not that it will come true. This is like the biggest slime ever. And a glittery goodbye to all my viewers out there, especially you. Whoa. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And be sure to subscribe, give a thumbs up if you like this video, and hit the bell button so that every time a new fancy party video gets posted, you'll be the first to find out about it. Anyways, be sure to look for my videos. Because my videos, not to brag, but they're tremendously... Guys, thanks for watching this video. As you know, I am tremendously glad that you watched. Anyway, be sure to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and hit the bell button so every single time a new fancy party video comes out, you'll be the first one to find out about it. Thank you, and enjoy your slime. Thank you. Bye.